Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're sisters in stitches and no stitches tonight.
No, we did stitches tonight.
Not in this video.
No, but this is our Blessed box, and Cindy started getting these. I think this is our third box.
Yeah.
And this is just their monthly subscription box. It costs $29.99 a month, and
It's like not a lot of makeup. It's more skincare, hair care, you know, that kind of stuff. But our first two boxes were unbelievable. I'll leave links up here if you want to check out the previous box. But it's just loaded with stuff. It's like $300 worth of stuff for $30.
yeah, they're
A
great
month.
boxes. So
You know, it's really
pull the first item out.
first item. This is by Argan. It is a hair mask.
It's a great hair mask is just as essential as a great face mask.
It is.
Now that the spring is here, your hair needs a little extra TLC to transition from the dry winter months. If you use any kind of heat styling tools or dye your hair, this is a must-have to treat dull, lifeless, and damaged hair.
This is really like thick and it smells wonderful. And Debbie just said I've got to try a hair mask tonight because I use these probably once or twice a week.
And this
I
retails
love
for
them.
$13 a jar.
Yeah, so this isn't like top of the line, but it works. You know, I love hair masks. So once you try one, you'll be sold. And then the next thing is, it's by
UB.
It's a little moisturizing skin cream.
And this retails for $10.
This size?
Yep, $9.99.
Wow. All these little protective. Oh, this is nice and thick.
This has been around since the 50s.
Smells like it too.
Ooh, it smells like it's got like eucalyptus or something in it.
Oh, I guess so. When I first put it on, it smelled like it was from the
Smells like
1950s.
Vicks.
Yeah. If you're stuffy, try this cream.
Okay.
Might be good to put it on your chest, you know?
Oh, you got it, yeah. Oh, you got that on my shirt.
No, it's not. It's a paper.
Oh. What's the next item?
All right, I like simple stuff, actually. This is the Simple Skin Quenching Sleeping Cream. Oh, there's some nice stuff in here, man.
This silky, lightweight gel cream absorbs quickly to replenish and revive tired skin.
How about tired eyes?
Doesn't have a scent to it.
No. And it's, you know, I don't know. Simple is nice. I mean, it's like nice,
Good products.
hypoallergenic, no perfumes,
This cream
no
keeps you
color,
hydrated
no
up to 72 hours, it says.
no harsh chemicals. So, hey, we can never have too many moisturizers these days.
Yeah.
Look it
works well.
Works well.
Pull this
Ooh.
out. This is,
Okay.
Hold on one second. Sorry. This stuff is great. I have a bottle and I use it because I do a lot of straightening my hair, and that I put this on before I straighten my hair and it keeps from burning my hair.
Oh, really? And you just leave it in there?
Yeah.
With marshmallow root.
It says it eliminates frizz and protects against thermal and environmental damage.
Oh, well then you can keep this.
I have one.
Oh, okay.
So you use it when you like curl your hair in the morning. It helps with any kind of heating
Oh, really?
agent.
Okay. I will try that. And then we have Georgette Klinger Vitamin C Toner. I'm really starting to get into toners now because what's really nice is after I wash my face, I use these Wonder Cloths.
This retails for $12.
I use these Wonder Cloths and I get them off Amazon. They're $10 and it's like this magic washcloth. It's like it takes all your makeup off. Then you just run it under cold water and get rid of all the makeup and everything and hang it to dry. They're wonderful. And so after I wash my face, I've been doing toner because it kind of gets your face all ready for, you know, the serums if you want to put serums on and lotion. So I'm really kind of getting into these skin toners. So this was what?
Vitamin C skin toner,
$12 for this little bottle? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, so it must be good stuff. Mm-hmm. So I like toners a lot. All right. Hey. We all have
Buddha
to,
Bowl Himalayan pink organic popcorn.
with Himalayan pink salt.
Don't open it. You're not.
Why? It's popcorn.
Oh, it's pop. I thought you had to pop it.
No, it's popcorn. We can eat it while we're doing the rest of our... We'll let you
All
know how it
right.
is. Gotta sample everything. 50 calories for this bag.
That's all right.
All right. All right.
What do you do next?
This is full size, which I love this stuff. L'Oreal's.
Pure Clay Detox and Brightening Mask.
It is awesome. I actually, honest to God, I have this at home and I love this stuff.
This retails for $12.99.
I think I paid a little more than that, but all right.
That's what it's saying.
Yeah, this stuff is great. It really works well. Oh, this popcorn is good. Oh, look at this. This is a handcrafted makeup brush cleanser.
Mini brush cleanser. This retails for $3.99.
And I do clean my brushes on Amazon. I bought this this rubber pad that you put in the sink and then you can, oh, this is nice.
So you just put your brush in there and then.
Yeah, and then you rinse it under water and you rub it on that mat and your brushes are clean and
That's cute.
yeah, it is. It's nice. It's cute. It's a little throw-in. And then here's another little throw. Oh,
That is.
we got some lip color.
No, it's a blush stick. It retails for $10.
All right. This will be interesting. Do you have blush on?
Yes.
You want more blush on?
No.
Come on. All right, I guess I got to put it on even though I already have it on. Okay, it looks like a lipstick. Are you sure? Are you?
Hey, look, it says blush stick, Bora Bora.
All right.
It certainly looks like a. Hold on a minute.
You know what? I'm gonna kill you.
That is the lipstick.
Oh.
They have a blush stick and then lipstick. So that is the lipstick. It's Hydra Cream
I never
lipstick.
trusted you again. She did that on
But
purpose.
no, I didn't. There is a blush there. That's what I thought you had in your hand. Ooh.
Oh.
This is what I thought she had in her hand. This is the blush stick. So
We've already
this
had
is the
them.
lipstick, which retails for.
I'll just pretend I was kissed by an angel.
Hey, you didn't get it on the sides of your mouth.
No, and it matches my cheek.
Well, here, blend it in with this.
Oh, God.
You got a
All
brush
right,
over
so
there.
then this is by
Bora
Trace
Bora,
Atique
yeah.
or something.
Trestique. That's also retails for $10. It's a lot lighter.
I look like I'm a streetwalker.
Well, you'll just have to blend it in a little bit better.
Okay, well, at least you can see this stuff. Look at... I'm gonna kill her.
Oh, a lipstick and a blush. You get so much in these boxes.
And we're
And
still
the
not
problem
done.
is, it's a little booklet. So I'm flipping through the booklet while she's pulling these things, trying to find the right.
Are you sure this is not a lipstick? No, it's blush.
Okay, this is Go Smile, fresh breath and sparkling white teeth. 14 stain erasers.
For your teeth?
Well, yeah, so like if you drink wine or tea a lot, or maybe even if you smoke, we don't. They're these little vials that you use. You put it right on your teeth. It's showing you before and after.
All right,
Instructions, slip, pop, erase. Like you put it right on your teeth.
you guys, do you want to see this?
You actually gonna open one? Mm-hmm. You do have lipstick all over your face again. What is with you and lipstick? You cannot put on lipstick to save your soul.
I like it. No, I'm not going to try this. This looks pretty involved.
Yeah, and it might leave a funky taste in your mouth.
And that wouldn't be good with it. But I will try this. This is kind of cool.
Yeah, it's really
Go
cool.
Smile stain erasers. All right.
Yeah. If you drink diet soda all day and not, you don't drink it through a straw, that's going onto your enamel and
I
stuff.
didn't even know they had this.
No, I didn't either.
There's some cool
And that
products in
retails
here.
for $14 for that.
Oh, look at
Now,
this.
those are called
Smashmallow cookie dough. I can't have it.
What's better than 2 treats in one? This is cookie dough marshmallow combined, 2 of my fave childhood goodies. Heaping mounds of chocolate chip cookie dough and clouds of soft marshmallow goodness. No heavy corn syrup, so they're guilt-free snack for just about everyone.
80 calories a serving, and you get 4 marshmallows, so it's 20 calories a serving.
Organic cane sugar, tapioca syrup, water, invert sugar, semi-sweet chocolate chips,
Oh,
organic
just
cane
open it and
sugar.
try it.
I mean, I don't care. I'm not sugar-free. Not really liking them. Not at all.
I'll just stick to my popcorn.
Okay, those I don't like.
So, all in all, I really do like this box. Oh, wait, there's something else. Oh my gosh. It's just never ending in this box.
This is NLCLA. We're off to Never Neverland nail lacquer, and it retails for $16 a bottle.
So don't let my makeup distract you, because Debbie had me put the lipstick on my face.
I thought it was the blush stick.
Looks like I got like little red pimples everywhere. Probably because I put lipstick on my cheek. Now,
Give me your
in
finger.
what box did I put this color on? I don't know, but I got this in another beauty box that we did tonight.
Here,
So
give
this
me
is
your-
another purple.
I like this purple a lot. This is really pretty.
And I'm trying to find a cool spring color.
Ooh, I really like this color.
Okay. We don't have to be perfect.
Well, I did nails for 20
See,
years.
this is nice. This is
A tad bright.
really bright.
That's really pretty. This color is really pretty. I like that one.
Good thing you didn't do this on my middle finger. I do like this color. I
Yeah, I
might
do
bring
too.
this one to the...
Take it with you and have them do your nails in this color and then bring it with you on the trip if you break one or have to.
I like this.
All right, so this was a good box.
It really was. For $30, you get quite a bit of stuff, all full size.
I'm gonna use that
I am
tonight.
very excited. So we got one more video to do, and it is another Bless box, but they have what's called a mystery box for, you know, when they have extra products or whatever for $19.99 and you have no idea what's coming in. So it's different for everybody. So I did order one of those, so you should see another one of these soon, but we'll see. All right, so again, I'll put all the info below, and if we made you smile at all, like when I put lipstick on my cheek,
Hit the subscribe button.
please. Yeah.
And we're not actresses, so whatever happens, happens. We don't choreograph these videos or
Don't
try and
plan them, don't have
we don't have
scripts.
scripts, so it's just a fly by the seat of our pants type of deal. So hence the lipstick on the cheek because I didn't read it correctly. But anyways, what you see is what you get with us. And so if you liked what you saw, subscribe. If you didn't like what you saw, sorry. All right, we're coming back at you in a little while with another video. Talk to you soon.